Today I thought I'd take you around the farm and show you all the pets. Here we have the turtle pond. It's finally finished. Got a few new plants for it. Turtles are down in the plants just there. There's one. There's a couple of fish in there at the moment, but filling up the other pond for them. Here's Twitch. We have our galah that we found on the side of the road. Got a broken wing, he'll never fly again. Gets his morning visitors every morning. About 4 other galahs and sometimes more. Right down in the trees there we have our sheep. Good old Wiltshires. Don't like shearing, they do it themselves. Got the ram there. There's a wether in there, like a bloke that's had his nuts cut off. And then the rest are females. Out here we have Jock. Found him as a lamb, he was abandoned from his mum. Good old James brought him up. Likes to headbutt that one. There's Butch. Coming back from somewhere. He just likes running around. Here we have our 2 ducks. One bloke, one female. And our rooster. Get some more hens soon. Scraps. One of our cats. Little Ebony. And here we have Rags. It's the mum of Ebony.